In this video, you'll learn how to turn off emails from eBay. This guide explains the steps necessary to manage your email notifications effectively, allowing you to reduce unwanted messages in your inbox. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the eBay website. Once the page loads, locate the sign-in button, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on this button and enter your account credentials to log in. If prompted, complete any additional security verification necessary to access your account. After logging in, look for your username or account icon in the same upper right corner. Hover over this icon to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the option labeled Account Settings. This will direct you to the Account Management section where various preferences can be adjusted. Within the Account Settings, find the section titled Communication Preferences or Notifications. Click on this section to access all email notification settings. Here you will see a list of different categories of emails you currently receive from eBay. Take a moment to review these categories and decide which email types you wish to disable. To disable specific emails, uncheck the boxes next to the types you want to stop receiving. It is advisable to leave essential transactional emails enabled, such as purchase confirmations or shipping updates, to ensure you do not miss important information. Once you have made your selections, look for a button labeled Save Preferences and click it to confirm your changes. After saving, a confirmation message should appear indicating that your preferences have been updated successfully. To ensure your changes have taken effect, you can refresh the page. From this point, unwanted emails should stop arriving, but it is wise to monitor your inbox over the next few days to verify that the changes were successful. If you still receive unwanted emails, you can return to the settings to make further adjustments as needed. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.